Hey bougie babes, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this super cute 4x4 lace wig. This hair is brought to you by Gorgius Hair company. So of course, I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize this unit, as well as a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this iridescent box, I received a wig bag, a wig cap, a couple more goodies, which was bobby pins, some clips, and some tweezers, and an elastic band. This unit is a 20-inch 4x4 lace closure boho textured wig with adjustable straps, an elastic band, as well as a natural hairline. So we are going to bleach this unit, taking our 50 volume developer, quick blue powder, mixing that up, adding the Adore rich eggplant color to create a nice skin-like texture on the lace, create a thick consistency. We're going to use our hairspray. I'm taking the Kendra Volume hairspray. It's in the generic brand. This is what the lace looks like before, and now I'm just spraying that spray down, combing it back to avoid over bleaching, and then we're going to apply that bleach. I let that sit for over an hour. You might need to let it sit for less than what I did because the knots did kind of over bleach a little bit, as you can see. This is the next day. I did wash it with purple conditioner and shampoo. Now I'm taking my hair wax stick and hot comb to part a middle part out, and then taking the wax stick to part out our baby hairs, and then we're going to pluck the hairline to create a nice natural hairline and make it look like it's a frontal instead of like a closure. You get me? And so here I'm just plucking this as normal, and as you can see, once I pluck it out, I go all the way back. I think you can tell that I'm going all the way back, and this is going to create a very natural hairline. And then once I'm finished plucking, I go in with some water and then some Garnier Fructis Moroccan Sleek and Shine. It smells so good. This is going to help reduce the frizz in the hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and lay my little baby hairs back to apply my wig cap. I'm going to take my Eben hairspray and spray my hairline to make sure my wig cap stays on. And then we're going to apply our concealer on the wig first and then on the wig cap. Make sure you do it on the hairline as well, on the wig itself. I'm going to play a song while you watch me install this unit. This is a pretty easy install. This is one of my favorite installs, is a closure. And yeah, I'm just going to play a song and get back to you by the end of this video.
Tell him no, 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 no. Tell him no, 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 no. You've been trying to cater to all the needs. You've been feeling guilty for so long. Baby, they're not friends, they are enemies. Don't you tell them yes, tell them get lost. Cause every time you go and ask for help, they say sorry, but I'm busy. So you end up doing it yourself. Hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth it and you won't miss it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. They don't have respect for your boundaries. Girl, you hit too close to the edge now. Only thing they got is toxicity. Think you need a cleanse, clear the shit out. You got the bags, but they ain't got yours. You've done enough, but they still want more. You've been a good friend down to the core. Oh, hold up, baby, don't take it. It ain't friendship if they just fake it. You don't need to put up with their bullshit. Tell them no, 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 no. Hold up, baby, don't stress it. It ain't worth
I hope you liked the song as much as I did. I got a little scissor happy and started cutting layers into this wig, and I regretted it so bad. Like, I felt like this hair looks gorgeous on its own without no customization to the hair itself. So yeah, if you get it, don't cut any layers. It looks gorgeous by itself, but it still came out really good. I added some mousse to the hair to make the curls a little bit more bouncy and reduce the frizz. And this is the final result with the hair dried up. She is gorgeous, she is cute. I feel like this is a great transition wig from frontals, so you don't wear frontals as much. I am obsessed. I want to thank you so much, Gorgius Hair Company, for letting me try out this beautiful unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.
Multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in.